Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, have a good day. And let me introduce myself here. My name is Sabina Supati Azhara, a student of Department of English Education with NIM number A320210011. Here I will to tell you about past experience entitled Fun Trip in Bali. And okay, let's see. Okay, on the long holiday at the end semester, more precisely in December 2017, I spent my vacation time at the staycation in Bali. I went with my family. On the first day, my family and I took a car with my neighbor driving it. Next, the journey was quite tiring from 5 a.m. to 3 a.m. and the second day. At that time, my family and I had just arrived at the port of Ketapang and continue the journey by boat until we arrived at the Gilimanuk port of Bali. After that, my family and I continue our journey to Sunrise Road to find a place to eat and rest for a while there. After that, and then continue the journey to Ubud, Bali to stay at the Asoka Tree Resort Hotel. Next, after arriving there around 10 o'clock, my family and I rest all day before explore the tours in Bali. The body feels really tired just traveling alone. Right at 4 p.m., my family and I decide to visit Jimbaran Beach in Bali to enjoy a very beautiful sunset to see. And yes, from there, my family and I went straight back to the hotel and will continue the staycation the next day. And then third day in Bali, that morning the weather was very sunny. We are also getting ready to visit tourist attraction in Bali again. Okay, the first thing we visit was Urun Danu Bratan Temple. This temple is located in Candi Kuning Village, Bedugul, Tabanan, Bali. This temple has an exotic beauty because it is located on the lips of Lake Baratan. The journey continues to the second destination, namely Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot is a location on the southern coast of Tabanan Regency, Bali. Exactly at 11 p.m., I arrived at the Tanah Lot area and immediately bought an entrance ticket. The atmosphere there was very crowded, and at the time, many visitors from domestic and abroad. In this temple, visitors can also see the waves on the south coast. After from Tanah Lot, we continue our journey to find lunch. And yes, the last tour we visit on the third day was to the nature tour of Ubud Bali village. There is very cool because it is surrounded by rice fields with a very exciting view. Okay, the tour is over for the day. We immediately return to the hotel and rest. Next, the fourth day in Bali. The first destination was to Nusa Penida, Bali. Nusa Penida is one of the most beautiful tourist destination and has a very wide area. The view of the blue sea is no less beautiful. Continue at 10 o'clock, we went to the Garuda Wisnu Kencana tourist attraction. There are lots of tourists who say that GWK Bali is one of the tourist attraction that must be visited. The last tour we visit was Kuta Beach, and yes, to see the sunset of course there. And the last 5 days, yes, of course, was our last day in Bali. Before going home, of course, we stopped by the Center for Balinese Souvenirs. The first is Krishna. There are various Balinese specialties served and very complex. My favorite food is meat pie. After Krishna, we head to the last place, namely Jogger. After Jogger, my family and I continue our journey home. And finally, we went home after 5 days in Bali. I feel very happy to be able to spend quality time with my family in Bali. This vacation was a very memorable vacation for me, and though I was very tired. And it's time to say until we meet again, Bali. Okay, that's all past experience I can tell. If there is a wrong word, please forgive me, and thank you for your attention. Bye everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.